Hey, good evening, guys. I want to talk to you about Bitcoin, and we're going to look and deep dive into this of how low can Bitcoin go. This isn't going to be just a video where we get on the chart and we look at support and resistance. I'm actually going to show you guys something new that I've never shown you before. It's an indicator that's actually on TradingView that is pretty powerful. It works well. There's some flaws to it, but it doesn't matter. I'm going to show you guys where money is sitting on the actual exchange for Coinbase based off different price structures, okay? That will actually give us an idea of where money is sitting and where money is not, which correlates to where we can drop down fast in the market or bounce from. This is a very important video you guys want to watch because I know a lot of you guys right now are like, man, are we going to go up or are we just going to keep crashing down? I will give you guys undisputed evidence of where money's sitting so I can show this to you guys. All right, you guys know this from this morning's video, so I won't take too long saying this. We're 100 for 100 wins. I have no idea how that just went over there, but anyways, that's my account. We're 100 for 100 wins. Oh, you know what? I'm so sorry, guys. Give me 1 second here. I ended up turning my computer off earlier. I need to open this up here again so I can get the brush out here. Okay, there we go. Sweet. We are currently 100 for 100 wins on this channel. We've never lost a trade ever since March, and we're just going to keep trading here into 2022. Matic is most likely going to be our next winner because it's just ridiculous. Anyways, I'll teach you guys in the second half of the video how to get over here and get into trade with us and all of that. I just want to spend some time in the first half to teach you guys where I think this is going to go, and then I'll show you guys how to trade with us because we've never lost a trade. Also, really quickly, I'm not going to turn this into a big thing in the video. Our indicators, I'm about to show you guys the price to swell, money flow, the trend exhaustion, and trend dashboard. You guys have like 48 hours to get these indicators, and I'm upping the prices of all these in the bundle pack. So the bundle pack, you need to get this in the next 2 days. Please get it before Friday because I'm going to be upping the prices of the bundle pack, and this is the last time you can get these, and these indicators will never be this cheap again. I promise you guys. So let's dive in and make sure you get that before the end of the video or sometime today, tonight, before the prices go up. Okay, watch this. Right now, we are sitting at the bottom section here for the well money flow. The trend exhaustion is very low. You guys saw this morning's Bitcoin video I did. What am I looking at? We want to come back and look to see what has happened last time when the well money flow was this low and the trend exhaustion was this low. We ended up seeing the flash crash in the market. This is a very nice correlation to a drop down in price we saw here and a drop down in price we saw here. What happened at this point was we actually saw a nice pump back up in the market. You guys saw this if you watched this morning's video. Every single time since then, we have pushed down into the bottom red section. Every time, without fail, we have seen a pump back up in the market for Bitcoin, and it has been a decent pump here. If you guys come in here and you look at the price ranges in here of what kind of pumps we've seen, we simply have to come over here, and we're going to go to a price range, and we'll pull the bottoms to the tops. We saw an 8% move up here. We ended up seeing a price range total, 8%. We saw a move up here about 8.6. Something interesting going on here. What's up with this 8%? This went up here about 7% at a high before we went back down. Is about 12%, okay? So could we be seeing around an 8 to 12% pump within the next 48 hours? This is absolutely possible. Let me give us another perspective here, about 10 to 11%. Okay, if we're going to round that all out, we'll call it right around 10% because we have 8.6, we have 12, and then we have 10. So right around 10% jump we could see in the market here. Here are the levels you really need to watch. Seriously, you need to watch this, and I'm going to show you guys another way of how to look behind the scenes of what's happening with actual transactions. So here's what you guys need to watch. This is the descending support line that really needs to be on your guys' charts. This has been respected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, a break and a retest. This is the line that we need to stay above. If this breaks below $45,000, this will officially break below the descending support line as well as the ascending support line. This line right here is correlated to this bigger structure overall, okay? It's the 1 touch, the 2 touch on the wick value low, and the 3rd. This is where you guys need to be watching this. Okay, let me dive into the meat of what I was going to talk to you guys about today. Okay, come over to your charts here and follow me here. I know you guys are going to ask this over on emails if you do, but please watch this video more than once to understand how I do this. Come over here because there's a few steps. Click the F. This is indicators, all right? Come in here to built in and click volume profile and do visible range. Click this once. All right, follow these steps with me. You're going to click on this and you are going to follow these steps. Over here, you're going to turn this blue and you're going to turn this blue here. Make it blue. You are going to make everything blue. All together now, everybody turn it to blue, okay? You're going to take off POC, all right? Come over here. You're going to come over here and make this 150, all right? And then you're going to make this 100. Okay, this is showing us what's called high volume nodes and low volume nodes. It's where a lot of money has been transacted based off of price. So a high volume node tells us right around this level of $50,000, we have seen an incredible amount of transactions taking place. All right, this is actually going to come on your chart and it's going to fluctuate based off how much structure you guys actually have visible on the chart. Let me get over here so we can get a little bit more on the chart so we can see this. Here is why I said this morning this could actually get kind of scary. Let me give you some evidence here of not just drawing some support and resistance. Let's give us some actual like money flow perspective. Here's the deal. High volume nodes are going to act as support and resistances. Why? You need to understand this. There's a lot of people who have placed orders in the market around this area. So what they're going to try to do is they want to keep it above this price. If we crash below this price, a lot of people are going to be in the loss. And I know for a fact, as I've taught you guys, people are emotional. If this starts moving down very quickly, and I know the majority of retail traders have purchased right around this level of about $50,000, then if we start heading down to, what was the call I said, guys? $45,000, this is going to put us down here. This will end up putting us into the low volume node area. Okay, you guys following here? When you break down from a high volume node where a lot of transactions are, you can easily push down into the market lower to the next high volume node because there isn't anything in the way stopping traders. It's basically just an open gap. How do you see this? You have to come down here and you need to basically give yourself more price action on the chart that you can see over here. This is why if we break down from this area about 45,000, it's probably going to be a nice little free fall down to $40,000 because that is the next area where we see what? A high volume node. Okay, this is going to be the next support here. Now, guys, I'm gonna be totally honest with you. If you email over, if you send emails about this, I'm still training my support team of how to answer questions about this because they may not know all this. We're not going to offer a ton of support for this. We offer support for the indicators. I want you guys just to see this. Taking this data into account that I showed you guys, here's how we need to take this into account with the indicators that we have, and you guys need to be getting these on your charts. As this price is getting lower to this section where we're starting to see less transactions at those price levels, this is actually a very good place for demand to take over. Because the price is so low and we see a lot of retail traders getting scared here, we are looking to see Wells, institutions, and smart money starting to acquire trades and then pushing this back up. Let's go to the metric to take a view at this. If you come all the way down, if you go to Bitcoin on our metrics and you come down, these have already been updated. We did see today, this has been updated this morning already, we are seeing this switch over to long trades. This is a bullish sentiment in Bitcoin, guys. We've seen when the retail traders got very excited and greedy in the market, what happened? Wells and institutions and smart money shorted them out completely, and we saw a drop. We are now starting to see metric values pointed to the upside because Wells and institutions are buying the dip. They are buying the discounted price. And with this high volume node here, even the Wells and institutions, if they have good people trading on their desks and they can see this here, they know that the next greatest place is right around this area, and it is at $40,000. Why is there so much money? It is a super strong support. So if we break $45,000, we may see a free fall down here to 40,000. So I want you guys to just understand that. That's why I wanted to show that to you guys. Now, I want to end this video with this. We need to do an account checkup. I literally am going to call them account checkups now. Here's what you need to do. What are you going to do right now to prepare yourself in case we get a drop? Because here's the thing that can happen here. I want you guys to watch this because you guys are going to see this unfold one way or another. We're either going to wake up on Friday or tomorrow morning and we're going to see Bitcoin bounce back up. And that's going to be probably what we see. If I had to predict anything, we're probably going to see a little bit of a bounce up because we're due for a move up here. And the trend exhaustion and price to swell money flow are the two best indicators you guys can use for crypto to call pumps and drops. Called the last 14 drops, actually. The last 14 drops on Ethereum, last 9 drops on Doge, and it goes on and on. It's been crazy. It's how we called the actual market drop over here when we had the well money flow high as well as the trend exhaustion up here, having a little bit of a divergence moving down here. So I want you guys to watch this level right here at 45,000. Here's the account checkup that you need to do. Currently, the account is down, let's call it about 3%. All right. This is actually not too bad because the market's dropping very quickly here. We are currently sitting in cash right now at 40.13% in cash. Okay. Why does this go up? When positions go down, that means the available cash goes up. Why? Because cash is an unfluctuating value. Because cash does not go up and down, even in USDC. I'm in USD. Does that make sense? So as the market goes down, your cash value goes up because your positions in the market are in decrease of value. When your positions go up that are in the market, your cash value is going to go down because you are then acquiring and you have more money in the market, okay? So As this moves down here, you guys right now, honestly guys, if I can call this just being blunt to you, you need to have at least 25 to 30% cash in the market. Why? Because of what I showed you. If we break $45,000, the next high volume node is at 40,000. Can your account, okay, let's play some scenarios out here because I'm going to do this for myself as well. I'm in this with you guys until the end. So why not let's just be really transparent with this and I'll show you everything. Let's calculate if we drop down to $40,000. A $40,000 drop is a 14% drop. Can your guys' account right now handle 14%? If you're on 2x leverage, that's 28%. If you're on 3x leverage, that's, 42? I don't know. Someone do the math on it, something like that. What the point being is that you guys need to be prepared for at minimum a 14% drop. Now, if 14% doesn't seem like a lot, if that is broken, the next greatest support is down here and it's at $30,000. And that would give us a drop point all the way at the bottom here of about, let me get the price range tool out here one more time, price range. We'll see a drop, not 14%, but we'll see a drop about 36%. Now you times that by 3x leverage, you're over 100% drop, and that's hitting margin calls for you guys, and you're automatically getting closed out by your broker. That is not good. So what I suggest you guys do is use our buy limits, and you guys start getting into trades if you have extra cash on the sidelines, so you guys can start dollar cost averaging in here. Now let me give you another strategy. I want to teach you guys everything of how to handle this market. I am personally going to hold all my trades. I showed this to you guys. I'm in a ton of different coins right now. Here you guys go. There's the allotment. Everything is transparent for everybody to see, okay? I am not going to sell any of my coins. I'm going to hold them. Why? Because I have $40,000 in buy limits that I'm going to be waiting to be picked up on if we go down further. But here is an option that you can choose if you want, because I get this question a lot. Some of you who are brand new to our channel, you guys have FOMO'd into this top price up here, and your orders are really low. Your account balance is very low because the market's dropping. Okay, here is something you can do, and this is wisdom in the market. If you guys are in the loss right now and you are afraid that the market's going to keep going lower, listen carefully. If you think the market's going to crash, nothing's guaranteeing this is going to crash, by the way. Please understand that. Give me 10 seconds on a side tangent. If you hear anybody out there say, I guarantee the market's going to do this, stop following them. Stop. It's literally pride taking over, and give them some grace if they say it, 1 or 2 times. But this is why I show you guys both sides of the market on almost every video, of it going up or going down. This is an unbiased channel. Once you start showing videos on your channel and you start talking to your friends about what you like, I know this thing is going up, I know it's going down, that is going to be an emotional trade. Wisdom always looks at both sides of the market, if it could go up and if it could go down. That's what wisdom does. The scary part about you guys, if you've ever noticed yourself doing this, of saying, man, it's going to go up. If you ever know this yourself, and only you can know this, if you ever build a case in your soul, in your mind, saying, I know this is going up, so here's what I'm going to do. I know this is going up. That is detrimental to your trading. You should never position yourself into the market and try to get yourself to see what you want to see. Stop it. You need to look at both sides of the market and get some analysis from someone who's unbiased and not emotional. That's what I'm trying to teach you guys on this chart. Okay, let's get back to what I was saying. If you guys are in a loss right now, something you can do is, let's say you're in Bitcoin right now and you had $10,000 in here and you're down, to $4,000, whatever. You guys can sell out of this trade like 50% if you wanted to. What's that going to do? It will then give you cash on the sidelines to then purchase lower buy limits. Those buy limits will then give you guys a place to pretty much buy insurance on your current trade in case we go down lower. Because let's say if you have all your money in here, you're going to lose on the entire account balance as it goes down. But if you close 50% of your trade or 25%, you now have cash to allocate to lower buy limits and buy the discounted price. Yes, you will not make as much if it goes back up. So let's, again, cover both sides. You won't make as much if it goes back up. But I can tell you from working with thousands of traders and being the channel on YouTube that has never lost a single crypto trade, it is always better to enter a trade and expect the price to go against you, because it forces you to have very good risk management. And if you can master risk management, it is going to be very hard for you to ever lose a trade again. And that's what I'm trying to show you and clearly demonstrate to you guys over here on this channel. Okay, so I hope this video was not too aggressive, but I hope it hits home, because if this thing drops and it goes below $45,000, this thing most likely will drop down to $40,000, and you guys need to be prepared for that. That means ADA is probably going to come down to about $1.10 or $1.15. Taking a look at EOS is probably going to move back down to about $2.50 if we break down to $40,000. You need to have cash in this market to buy the lower dips. If you try to hold on, it's not going to work. Why am I not selling anything? Because I already have cash, $40,000 worth in buy limits below all my entries, so I'm good. I'm already doing and I'm already set up based off what I'm preaching to you guys, okay? So let's leave that there. I don't want to go too much further. Let's just end this video real quick, and we're going to land it like really crazy. So to get into our membership, guys, it is $49 a month. I'm going to be upping this price, so make sure you guys get into this. This will give you access to all the metrics as well as the live trades over here. This will give you guys access into all of the coins that we trade. Really quick for Bitcoin, all you guys do for our strategy is you take the amount you want to trade with and split it into 4 equal portions. Okay, if you have $1,000 split into 4 equal portions, that's 250 here, 250, 250, 250. Once your first buy limit is hit, you guys want to set a sell limit up here. If you guys have any questions, just watch this video and it explains everything. And then make sure you guys get into the Telegram channel once you have your membership. Sign in with your phone or your computer Telegram account first. Click this link right here, and that will give you guys access into the Telegram channel where we are using the indicators. Guys, you literally only have 2 days left, because I'm recording this at 5:30 at night. You guys have 2 days left to get these indicators. That's it, okay? The bundle pack is 84% off. I will never have this price lower than this ever again. Mark my words, keep me accountable. I don't care. I won't. I know this for a fact because I'm going to be upping the bundle price in 2022, okay? I'm also going to up the price of the price for swell money flow, the trend dashboard, and the trend exhaustion. So you guys need to get in here and get this bundle pack in the next 2 days, because it's not going to be this cheap ever again. Click right here, click the coupon code, click here, and then enter the coupon code Christmas at checkout. Capitalized, lowercase, it does not matter. That's going to save you guys $50, and it's also going to go up $50 at the end of the month. Real quickly, if any of you guys have purchased the individual indicators, any of the individual indicators you purchased by themselves, and you want the bundle pack, email me at btradeconfident@gmail.com. Myself, Jake, or Josh will go ahead and give you guys the discount. So here's how this works. The bundle pack, you guys get 9 indicators total. I'm only showing you guys 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 indicators here. You guys get 9 total. You need these 3 at minimum, so you're basically getting 6 for free, and it's only just a few more bucks with the bundle pack. Get the bundle pack. It's the best deal. But here's the thing. If you guys have individually purchased any of our indicators and you're like, hey man, I already paid, X amount for the price of swell money flow, send me a PayPal invoice for the difference, and I want the bundle pack on discount so I can get everything. I'm not going to make you guys purchase the bundle pack again to get everything. Just tell me the indicators you've already purchased. Email me at btradeconfident@gmail.com at the bottom of this page under indicators, and I'll just send you a PayPal invoice, and you can get the rest of the indicators, and I'll send it to you over email. This is super awesome, guys. It's fun, and I love doing this for you guys, okay? So watch this. I wanted to show you guys evidence. If we break down below $45,000, we need to watch for that drop. Here's a little bit of a saving grace, and I'm gonna in this video right here. If we start moving down here, guys, and we see the price for swell money flow, if we see the money flow starting to move up like this and the trend exhaustion move up, this is very good news, because this is actually positive divergence, which when this has happened in the past, we've seen some very nice moves back up in the market. So this could get people caught on the wrong side. So I wouldn't look to sell out of your whole position. If you get nervous here, I would look to do a portion like I taught you guys, 25 to 50% if you're going to sell, to get cash at lower buy limits, because this thing could actually turn around and come back up very closely. These indicators that have been calling the tops and the bottoms of crypto with ridiculous accuracy are bullish. Let me say that again. Our indicators are bullish right now. Only if we head down further and divergence happens are we going to see, maybe just a little bit more of a drop back down. But we have 1 support, 2 support, we have a bullish sign and a bullish sign, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and our 5th sign is actually on BTC. When we're over here looking at this, we actually see the smart money going long. So there are more signs that this could actually see a bounce within the next 48 hours than a crash down to $40,000, okay? In the short term, we're looking for a move up. But like I said, nothing is guaranteed. So you need to have wisdom and understand both sides of the market. So how do you do that? Exit 50% of your trade or 25%. That accomplishes 2 things. 1, it leaves money in the market. In case we go up, you're going to make money on the money you have in the market. It accomplishes, in case we go down here, you have 50% in cash to buy lower buy limits or 25% to buy lower buy limits. That's what wisdom looks at on the chart. It looks at both sides and it prepares you for both. So in case one situation happens or the other, you are prepared for both. I hope you guys really enjoy this so much. Make sure you guys are getting the indicators. You have 2 days left. That's all you guys get. And I will be upping it as well as the memberships going up. So make sure you guys snag that as well. But God bless you so much. Have peace during this. Don't freak out. Take the wisdom you've learned today in this video, apply it to your guys' accounts. And if you guys have any questions, email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com, and I'll see you guys later. All the indicators are in the description as well as the first comment of this YouTube channel. Get the indicators. We're going to try to go 200 for 200 wins in the year of 2022. And I'll see you guys next year all the way through that, and I'm just really excited to be trading with you guys all the way through the entire rest of this year and next year, and it's going to be an absolute blast. So make sure you guys get the indicators before they go up, as well as the membership, and I'll see you guys later. Get them on your chart so you can follow me on the next update. Bye, guys. See ya.